Billy, you hear your sister snoring? Yeah. She's just snoring. She's all right. Yeah, you're a good boy. You're a good boy.